Ever pondered the intriguing question of how different signals are classified? Well, today we unravel this mystery. We'll delve into how each signal is categorized according to its dimensionality, channels, time, and amplitude. Let's start with the closing prices of utility stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. This signal is one-dimensional, based on scalar values that represent stock prices. It's a single-channel signal, meaning we're dealing with one stock and one value per time instance. The time here is discrete, since closing prices are typically recorded at specific time intervals. The amplitude, or the range of values the signal can take, is continuous. This means that prices can take any real value within a range. Next, consider a color movie. This signal is two-dimensional, as images have height and width dimensions. It's multi-channel, typically composed of 3 channels, red, green, and blue. The time here is continuous, meaning the movie is played without interruption. The amplitude, however, is discrete, as the pixel intensities are digitally represented. Now let's imagine the position of the steering wheel of a car in motion relative to the car's reference frame. This signal is one-dimensional, representing the angular position of the steering wheel. It's a single-channel signal, as we're dealing with one steering wheel position. The time here is continuous, as the car is in motion. The amplitude is also continuous, meaning the angular position is represented in an analog form. To summarize, we've classified 3 different types of signals. The closing prices of utility stocks on the New York Stock Exchange is a one-dimensional, single-channel, discrete time, continuous amplitude signal. A color movie is a two-dimensional, multi-channel, continuous time, discrete amplitude signal. Lastly, the position of the steering wheel of a car in motion relative to the car's reference frame is a one-dimensional, single-channel, continuous time, continuous amplitude signal. This classification system helps us understand the nature and characteristics of various signals and aids in their appropriate processing and analysis. So, the next time you come across a signal, you'll know exactly how to classify it.